Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to make a public profile on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application, then open your profile. As you can see, here's my Snapchat profile. Then I'm scrolling down a little bit, and here we can see the key option to make our profile public. Create public profile. So I'm clicking on it. I'm clicking on continue, get started, create, and here we can see a public profile has been created here, and now it's showing my public profile. So I'm clicking on it, and here we can see my account has been converted to a public profile. So right now I'm going to edit my account. So for that I'm clicking on edit profile, and from here I'm going to upload a profile photo from my phone gallery. Okay, this one, and now I'm clicking on save changes, and then here we can see a new profile picture has been added into my public profile. So I'm going to add my bio from here, example. Okay, and if I want to add my location, here I can add my city, Washington DC. Here I can add state and country. If I want to see my public profile, so for that I have to click on preview profile, and here we can see my public profile is ready now. This was the way we can make a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.